Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Okay, so we're FoodMarble. We've developed a breath analysis device to help you identify which foods are most compatible with your unique digestive system. It's based off existing clinical technology, but we've been able to reduce the size and cost and complexity so that you can do this sort of testing in the home. So it's on the market since December 2018. We've got over 15,000 customers. We're starting to develop all sorts of interesting new products in collaboration with clinicians. And so it's available in the US through our website, foodmarble.com. And we're also expanding into other channels in the near future. So this is what the device looks like. And so it's based on breath analysis. So you're breathing into the mouthpiece here. And so it's the way it works day to day is you record what you're eating in the app, and then in between you're taking breath tests each hour, and with the breath, if you get a high breath score, we'll show you what inside the foods was potentially causing a problem for you. So that's a way of being able to work out which foods are you potentially not digesting effectively.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.